Welcome to this video. We will be exploring the educational trainers of automation projects available in Automation Studio. If you are interested in learning about the configuration and programming of PLCs, this video is for you. Here we find documents with everything ready to make an example and learn how to configure a PLC in its programming language and simulate its behavior, representing the connections to the inputs and outputs of our PLC board and to the components, also representing the components to study their behavior. In the educational trainers of automation projects, we have different types of PLC, configurations, and components for different systems. To understand how it works, we will use an example. The cables can be represented in a curved form, allowing the cable to be moved as desired, or we can also represent them using straight lines. We can modify components by unlocking the layer and inserting new components. In this example, we have the PLC logic described in a ladder diagram for the AB 5000 standards with the inputs and outputs. This programming controls this pneumatic system of 2 pistons, which allows us to have a virtual experience, learning the behavior of all the elements without the need for machinery or tangible components. For more information about the Automation Studio software, we invite you to visit our website. Thank you very much for watching this video.